Greetings and salutations. I'm Christopher Platt, reporting for Your Black World News with an article from the New York Daily News. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and visit theblackbusinessschool.com to learn about financial literacy and how you can grow your business today. Empire star Terrence Howard was vanquished at a critical court hearing Friday in order to pay his ex-wife a whopping $1.3 million in overdue support and interest. A Los Angeles judge refused to grant the Oscar-nominated actor another delay and ruled he owes second wife Michelle Gint nearly $264,000 in back spousal support and another $1,055,970 due to his surge in income playing patriarch Lucius Lyon on his hit Fox show. Gint hugged one of her lawyers and smiled after her victory in the 6-year saga. Howard did not attend the hearing, but got a drubbing by the judge. Los Angeles Superior Court Judge Helen Zukin said Gint and her lawyers were forced to litigate the case for years because Howard refused to pay a divorce judgment entered in May of 2013. This has gone on long enough, Zukin said Friday. The Court of Appeals determined it's a valid judgment, and it's time to enforce that judgment. The judge set a follow-up hearing for next week to rule on the hefty attorney fees Howard must pay to Gint's lawyers after he lost his attempt to overturn the judgment. Altogether, the legal fees are expected to top another $1 million. If there had been compliance initially, none of this would have been necessary, Judge Zukin quipped, saying the fees submitted by Gint's lawyers looked reasonable and she planned to grant them. Howard's lawyer, Gary Fishbein, argued repeatedly that it was premature for the judge to make her rulings. He said Gint's team failed to file necessary paperwork, adding Universal Bridges, a company owned by Howard's third wife, Mira Pack, to the case. Howard, 50, has claimed he's an employee of Universal Bridges and receives a salary of between $105,000 and $250,000 per year. He also said he's under criminal investigation by federal authorities in Pennsylvania and deserved a stay in the divorce battle because he couldn't testify or submit an updated income and expense declaration due to his Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. The investigation centers on possible financial fraud and tax evasion, according to court filings. Terrence has been trying to transform vice into virtue and to use the fact of his own tax evasion as both a sword and a shield, Gint's lawyers said in a June filing. The judge said Friday it was appropriate to determine the amount in arrears first, then serve Fox or Universal Bridges with an assignment order to essentially garnish his wages. She said she made the ruling after one of Gint's lawyers said time is running out because Empire starts its 6th and final season next month. We need to have the monies held. He's in the last year of his contract. This is the last bulk of money we can reasonably get before it disappears, Gint's original divorce lawyer, Karen Donahoe, told the court Friday. Howard and Gint were married in January of 2010. She filed for divorce a year later. Gint has accused Howard of domestic violence and infidelity and won a restraining order against the Hustle and Flow star with claims he punched and choked her during an attempted reconciliation in Costa Rica in July of 2013. Howard accused Gint of trying to extort him after their split, but Gint denied any wrongdoing and ultimately prevailed. At a 2015 hearing in the case, a recorded phone call played in court featured Howard professing his love to Gint shortly after he married Pack in October of 2013. "I will never love someone like I loved you," Howard told Gint. "You are my dream of all time." Gint asked Howard why he broke her heart repeatedly and why he married Pack if he still loved her. "I've got a chance to be okay and to just settle," he said in the recording. "I have the most brilliant mind in the fucking world." Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to share this video. Let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Your Black World News YouTube channel and visit theblackbusinessschool.com today. I'm Christopher Platt reporting. Until next time, shalom.